Tinnitus, advice on learning to control your symptoms. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. Join a support group if you suffer from chronic tinnitus. Tinnitus can be extremely stressful for some people, and having someone to talk to about it can help you feel better. It also is beneficial to be around others that understand what you are going through. If you cannot find a group locally, you can join one online. Consider relaxation exercises, like yoga or meditation. Many times tinnitus is made worse because people are stressed out or on edge. Yoga and meditation promote total body relaxation, so practicing them makes it less likely that you will suffer a flare-up of tinnitus. Chewing gum is one of the best remedies for tinnitus. Medical research has shown that chewing gum can relieve the pressure and sounds that are associated with tinnitus. However, be careful to stop chewing if you start feeling more symptoms or if you develop pain in your jaw or elsewhere. If a good dog is one who is tired, then a similar strategy may also work for someone with tinnitus. The more tired you are when going to bed, the less difficult it will be to drift off to sleep. Incorporate a little exercise into your daily routine. Not only will it liven up your day, it will likely make it easier to get to sleep at night, despite the fact that you have tinnitus. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.